Hello, everyone. Welcome to the journey of the modern adult learner, transforming learning through generative AI. I'm Dr. Jennifer Parker, and I'm joined by my friends and colleagues, Dr. Stefani Boutelier and Dr. Madeline Craig. In our work, we're sharing our 2-year collaborative exploration through the lens of our PK20 backgrounds in teacher ed, instructional coaching, and ed tech leadership. Our learning journey began with shared curiosity about how our roles as facilitators of adults were changing. We also saw that their learning experiences of our students and participants in an age of AI were also evolving. And so, building on contemporary perspectives in andragogy, like that of Knowles and others, our work investigates the intersections of diverse learner profiles, generative technology, and facilitator roles. We had some burning key questions. We wondered, what does the journey of modern adult learners look like? Who are today's modern adult learners across the generations? How do we facilitate and engage our modern adult learners? How do modern adult learners approach generative technologies? And lastly, but certainly not least, how do modern adult learners navigate Gen AI in their personal and professional practice? So this collaboration resulted in a set of 4 complementary frameworks designed to support ethical, intentional, and human-centered AI integration. These frameworks start with the EMP model, where we talk about emerging, mentee, and peer learners. The next framework is the 4C's facilitation principles, where we outline the co-learning, creation-centered practices, critical critique, and career connections. In the AI Balance Continuum model, we talk about encouraging our participants to be AI ready, yet AI resistant, and create an equilibrium for a stance that promotes responsible use. And lastly, the human-centered AI competency roadmap, a 7-step guide to developing ethical and sustainable AI practices. Together, these frameworks offer educators and leaders a practical, principled approach to meeting the evolving needs of adult learners in an AI-infused world. So, we invite you to join the conversation by sharing your own experiences in our survey, joining our sessions, connecting with us on LinkedIn or other social media, or by sharing our resources. We look forward to traveling with you on the journey of modern adult learners in an age of AI.